Right guys, just finished the ceilings, couple of heads, and ceiling, and a back wall finished, and that wee bit of a wall again, reveals and stuff. But there's a couple of wee walls on here. At the end of the day, starting to colour, so a bit more moisture to them, and I can just super flex them and then get up the road. So still the opposites in here and most of that room to do. Still a good bit upstairs to do before we're finished out of this one. Oh, quite a bit of work on these, and there seems to be a mad push to get the downstairs done before the upstairs. I think it's to let the plumber in and then get the screeder in. But yeah, all this done as well. Did some videos, I think, coating some stuff. You can see the waste pipe letting the air in, the way it's drying. Actually good, it's drying out well. But this whole room, all done. Seen done last week or something. Floor all cleaned. Still the opposites in here to be done. There's a crate on this. It's handy to get that, but we'll probably just put the ladder against this wall and plank it over to here. Again, most of this room's to be done. Three walls left in there and 3 walls left in here, so quite a couple of big hits left to do to get this one finished up. And I put skimming beads on this one, not the usual floating beads, because the window was pulled out to allow the boards in. Fun, the premium boards. And then clearly see they're not on around the wrong way. TikTok's very famous for telling me that I'm plastering on the boards that are around the wrong way. But like, there's been probably 10,000 houses built here, and I think there maybe no if they're putting the boards on the right way now. And obviously more houses out there are being built. But yeah, going to get this super flexed and up the road. I think the super flex did take a wee fall and there was a bit of a kink in it. I think I've just about got it fixed, I hope. If not, it's scrap. And we have to go and search for a new Superflex finishing job. Ooh.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.